Welcome to this new lecture of the course, and this is quite special. I happen to be on camera because in this lecture what you're going to build is a program that detects moving objects in front of a computer webcam. And then what it does, it records the time that the object entered the webcam, so the video frame, and the time when the object exited the video frame. So now there is a moving object in the frame, and if I go away, you see that there's no green rectangle now in the video. And now I show up again, move out again, and so on. So we're going to build this application from scratch using Python. And yeah, we have a lot of things to learn, such as image processing and video processing as well, and so on. And lastly, what we do then, if you press Q for quit, what you get is a graph. And as I said, the graph will show the times when the object entered the frame. So we're dealing with an interactive graph here. And yeah, these are the times when the object entered the webcam. Like this one here, and here it lasts longer, and so on. This can be a great application if you want to detect objects. You can put this application, this Python program, in a Raspberry Pi server, for instance, which is a small server, and you can put it somewhere. And maybe you want to detect animals. You may want to know when this animal is entering the frame and when it is exiting, or with people as well, if there is the case. So yeah, this is a program, and I hope you enjoy it. We have quite a lot of code to write, so let's get started, and I'll talk to you in the next lecture.